Imagine starting a business right from your kitchen table with just a laptop and turning it into a six-figure empire. Sounds wild, right? Well, buckle up, because this business idea is not just smart, it's exploding across the US and it's changing lives. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a business idea that's not just trending, it's booming in 2025. If you've ever dreamed of starting a business with low startup costs and insane profit potential, this one will absolutely blow your mind. So, let's jump right into it. The business? AI-powered services for small businesses. Think ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, and all those powerful AI tools used to help local businesses automate tasks like content creation, chatbot setup, resume writing, and even social media management. Most small business owners don't have the time or the tech skills to actually use these tools effectively, and that's exactly where you come in. In 2025, over 70% of small businesses in the US are looking to integrate AI, but only about 15% know how to do it. That's a massive gap. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can start offering services like AI-generated blog posts, automated customer support, personalized email campaigns, resume and cover letter writing. And the best part? You can charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per client every single month. Here's how you get started. Learn the basics of AI tools, ChatGPT, Jasper, Canva, and others. Build a simple website or even a Fiverr profile. Offer a free trial to a few local businesses. Collect testimonials and use them to scale. Then upsell monthly packages and retainers. You don't need coding skills, just creativity, consistency, and hustle. This business model is revolutionizing how small businesses operate, and you can be the one leading the charge. If you want more deep dives into profitable business ideas, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. So, tell me, what AI tool are you most excited to use? Let's build something epic together.